Hi, mathematicians. This is Mrs. Nice, and I'm so excited to be bringing you your first second grade math lesson. How exciting! So before we start, I need you to grab some materials. Now I'm going to tell you what to get, and then I'm going to ask you to pause. So listen really closely. Need those listening ears. You have them? I know you do. First thing, I need your orange math folder. Orange math folder. Next thing I need is a pencil. And the third thing I need is some kind of counters. Now, we used to use the circles that were yellow on one side and red on the other side. We don't have them at home. If you want to use something to count with, please grab some buttons or some money, anything that you could grab a bunch of, some dice, maybe some Legos if you have them, cars, marbles, anything that you have a bunch of that you can grab. If you don't want to grab something to count with, then you can just draw pictures, because that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to ask you to pause and go get the things you need. Okay, mathematicians, you're back with me. So first thing I want you to do is grab your orange folder. Inside your orange folder, you have your workbook pages. Now, you don't have your whole workbook at home, but we just pulled out your topic 1 pages, okay? You see where it says topic 1? That's what I need you to get, topic 1. And I need a pencil for now. And I need you to turn to page 5. Page 5, okay? That's what you're going to do now. All right, and I think we are ready to get started with our math lesson. Okay, friends, so today in math, we will count on to add and add numbers in any order. Our essential question is, what are the strategies for finding addition and subtraction facts? We are adding today, but that's for the whole entire topic 1. We're going to be doing some subtraction in some later lessons. Okay, so on page 5, it says, use cubes to show 4 plus 5. Now here you can draw your circles, you can draw X's, or you can use your counters that you just got. So I need you to add 4 plus 5. So I'm going to ask you to hit pause, go ahead and do that, and then join me back again. All right, friends, so you added 4 plus 5. So let's do that together and see what you came up with. So I'm going to use these red squares for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to use the blue squares for 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I count them all up together, I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count on from 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9, so 4 plus 5 equals 9. Oops, sorry there, friends. Now, how else could I count this? What do you think, friends? Could I count 5 plus 4 and switch around those add-ins? You betcha. Let's try. So let's try 5 plus 4. Do you think we're going to get the same sum again? Remember, the sum is the total. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to count on from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have the same sum. I have the same sum. So what happened when we changed the order of numbers that were being added? We flipped them around. What did you notice? Did you notice that we got the same sum? We did. Let's watch our visual learning video to get a little more information.
You know how to count on to find a number. You can count on to find 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or count on to find 3 plus 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it easier to count on from the greater number, 6, or from the lesser number, 3?
What do you think, friends? Do you think it's easier if you start with 6?
Select your answer.
And you count 7, 8, 9? Do you think that's easier, or do you think it's easier if you start with 3 and then count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? I think if you start with 6, you have less to count afterwards. So let's see if we select 6, if that's correct. Oh, we're right.
If you count from the greater number, you do not have to count on as many.
Counting on from the greater number is easier.
How is 6 plus 3 the same as 3 plus 6? When you add 6 plus 3, the value is 9. When you add 3 plus 6, the value is 9. An equation uses an equal sign to show that the value on the left is the same as the value on the right.
Remember, that equal sign tells me I have these numbers over here are the same as these numbers over here. Same exact thing, friends.
How are these two addition equations alike? They both use the same addends, 3 and 6. They both have the same sum, 9.
Now remember, the addends are the numbers around the plus sign. That's why we call them addends. 6 and 3 are addends. Our sum is 9. The other addends down here, 3 and 6, we just flop them and the same sum, 9.
How are they different? The order of the addends is different. You can change the order of the addends. The sum is the same. You can write the facts this way too.
So we wrote them both vertically up and down and horizontally across. Same thing, friends.
How do you know that 6 plus 3 equals 3 plus 6? Because 6 plus 3 equals 9 and 3 plus 6 equals 9. You can add numbers in any order and the sum is the same. So 6 plus 3 equals 3 plus 6.
Okay, friends. Okay, so let's do some practicing together. First, I just want to remind you what we have. I made my anchor chart like we usually make in class. So we have an equation. What does an equation mean? We have two addends on this one side. That equal sign means it's an equation. And then we have the number on this side. That's our sum. We flip them. We flipped our addends, but we still get the same sum because they're still the same addends. Okay? So remember, these are our addends, and this is our sum. All right, let's do a little practice. So I would like for you to turn to page 7. Page 7. And we're going to look at number 3. We're going to look at number 3. Number 3 says 8 plus 2 equals. Now here we can draw our pictures or use our counters, whatever you like. I'm going to draw some circles. So I'm going to draw 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus, then I'm going to draw 2. 1, 2 equals. So I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now, there's another spot for another equation there. What do you think we should add there? What if I flip those addends? If I flip and I do 2 plus 8 equals. Do you think I'm going to get 10 again? Let's try. We can think that, but we're going to try it too. Because we're going to draw our circles or use our counters. So I have 2 here, 1, 2, plus 8 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to count them all up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same answer, friends. Same answer. Let's try another one. I want you to look at number 5. Number 5. I'm going to erase my board. Get ready for number 5. Okay, number 5 is 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. Okay, use your counters, draw your circles, draw your X's, whatever you like. I'm going to draw my circles again. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 3 there. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them up, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. What if we flop those addends? So if we flip them, I'm going to do 3 plus 9 equals 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got the same answer both times. Now, friends, I would like for you to do practice on your own. So I'm going to ask you on your own to look at number 6 and look at number 9, and I would like you to do those problems. If you would like, you could do the whole page if you feel like doing that. Now, you will meet your teacher or work independently. And I hope you enjoyed your first math lesson, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.